Hey, hi all. Hey, thanks for watching all my videos. So today we will talk about SSO. What does SSO stand for? SSO stand for single sign-on. And what does that mean? A single sign-on where one user can log in into multiple places. So he can log in on a desktop app, he can log in on web app as well. All right. So let me show you how it works. All right. But before that, let me give you one example. So real-time scenario would be like in one project there could be a multiple accounts, like one account for AWS dev, one account for AWS prod, one account for AWS production uh, test, right? So you have three different accounts you have to manage. So there is the people also getting sometimes very challenging to manage three accounts, and they're using the AWS console on day-to-day basis. So what kind of solution you can provide to them? So in my case, or for example, I would say them to use the SSO, single sign-on, and how it works, right? So let me show you how it works. So let me go back to my single sign-on page, right, over here. I can show you how it works. So in this single sign-on, when you access the single sign-on first time, it will ask you to enable the AWS organization. In AWS organization, that is the requirement of this service. You have to create a AWS organization, and inside that your account will be work, right? So in AWS organization is another service of AWS where you can manage multiple AWS accounts through it. All right. So first step is that I have to add my AWS account into AWS organization. So that is I have already done. Let me show you that how it works. See, in AWS organization, you can see this my account already getting added, and also I get option is to add multiple account inside that as well. Okay, but you have to go to the AWS organization, and from there you need to add it, and after that the new account will be you will see over here. Now this is the first step. Now, what is second step? So in my case, I have to select an identity source. Let me show you the first step over here. Over here in this page, it will ask me to select the identity source. So identity source could be the Active Directory on running on premise, Active Directory past service, or any other third-party identity source. In my example, I am selected the AWS Manage Microsoft AD. You can change it as well according to your requirement. If there's an option they are given to you. I selected the Active Directory, and over here through drop down menu I selected the my sagademo.com domain. Okay, this is my first step. Now what would be my second step? The second step over here, I need to select the permission set. Permission set based on the job role in your project. In your project, there could be manager, there could be a developer, tester, database administrator. So there could be multiple role available over there. So I have to create a permission set based on the role. So so they have given me the step. Either I can go with the existing default role, or I can create a custom role. Okay, let me just show you for demo. Let me show you that. See, you can see this kind of role over here. So you have to select the require one. You have to just click on tag and review. That's it, and the role will be created, and the role will be listed over here in this section. So you can see I have taken the billing, database administrator, and S3 access. So billing and database administrator is my default job role, and S3 access is customized one. Okay, because I need to provide only S3 access to my developers for that purpose, right? So this is my second step where I have listed the my permission sets. Now the third step over here where I need to provide permission to this to my AD accounts. So let me select AWS account. So due to identity provider, I can see the users of my directory over here. Let me show you test user test and search for it. I can see a test user one. So this is came from my Active Directory. If I go to my Active Directory server, you can see this all the roles I created for this demo. Dev user one, and manager user one, Sagar, test user one, DBA user one also. Okay. So from here I can list all the users. You can see I can show you DBA as well. DBA, right? All these are I can see over here. See, and I have to just select this. I have to just click on the permission set, and I have to choose the required permission to my DBA. Okay, let me take the S3 access for time being. Click on this, and now the S3 access will be allocated to my DBA role, right? And the DBA user also, right? Once I'm done with this, now let me show you a demo, right? Let me go on to this page, and over here, when I configure the SSO, it will give me the one portal URL. Let me open this portal URL in incognito mode. Over here, I have to use my AD account to log in, all right? So let's first I will try with my manager user one account. So this manager user one account has only billing permission. So he can see only billing uh, services inside in the AWS console. I am showing you now. So it may take some time because this page I opening in incognito mode. So yeah, just bear with me for a couple of minutes. Yeah, here we go. I think it is loading up now. Now you can see the page, login page. Okay, so similarly, first I will try with the manager user one, then I can try with the DB, then I will try with the dev user one as well. Okay, so over here I need to provide my manager user one name, AD user name, right? User one. Then let me click on next. Let me put the password. Okay, now you will see the AWS account in this inside this, and if you click on this, you will get your AWS account which you added inside the AWS organization, and inside that you can see a billing. Okay, you can click on this, the billing portal will open. Similarly, I will show you the dev user one as well. So in that in dev user one, I have only provided the S3 level permissions. So you can see a dev user one now. See, let me change the name. Let me put dev user one and login inside that. Now let me put the password. Yes, we are inside the AWS account, and you can see the S3 access to this my role. Correct, I have done it right. Now let me show you something else. So sometimes your organization or your project have a requirement where you need to provide additional security to this account. So what you can do, they also given you the option to enable the MFA. Over here you can go on this go to settings, and on this page you can see a MFA section. Over here you can configure it. You can configure it for users, or you can configure it for administrator as well. So based on your requirement, you can do that. You want to completely block the people who don't have MFA, you can do that, or you can allow them to sign in as well if they don't have MFA as well. Okay, it's up to your choice what to configure it. Okay. Now let me quickly do a recap so that you can get you have to understand what I have done so far. All right. So let me go back to my PPT again. Over here, this is the high level steps I listed over here. First one is to create your AWS organization. Is your first step. Second step is to add your AWS account inside the AWS organization. Then the third step is that you need to select your identity source. It could be your Active Directory or running on premise or your any PaaS service or any other source. And then you need to create a permission set based on the job role in your project. And the fifth one, where you need to give the permission to your AD account and groups to log in. Okay, that's it. With these 5 steps, you can configure the SSO for your project. So this concludes this the SSO sign-on demo. Please do like, comments to my video, and I will keep trying or keep creating the new videos for you. Thank you.